squirrels and hummingbirds. I don't see it, but I hear it. Where'd you go, hummingbird? Will you stop? There is no squirrel. It was me. Oh my goodness. I jumped up to get a rotten apple and now she's freaking out because she thinks it's a squirrel. Goodness. Anyway, this branch is loaded and very low. It was already decently low. And now you're mad at something? Why is everybody so angry this morning? What are you mad at? At the dog, apparently. She's going after the dog. I'm not sure what's going on here. Back to the apple tree. I have my gourds that I finally put up. Birdhouse gourds. This one already raised some babies. And then this one and that one I just put up. And then otherwise my apple is, well, I guess there's not many apples on this side. Interesting. But this side is quite loaded. Our branches over here looks great. Bunch of bigger apples. I just noticed that that side doesn't have much for fruit. And there is some sort of disease that affects it. It doesn't really make a difference as far as the apples go and doesn't seem to kill the tree. It's supposedly rust caused by cedars, which I don't have any. I'm not sure. There might just be some in the vicinity. So cute. It's actually the first time I've seen the male. The female has been coming to the feeder on the window a lot. She's cute, but I have not seen him. You thirsty? Wow. Must be really hungry. Bye. There's two girls. One girl. Maybe that one. Where's the other one? She chased it away. They were fighting. Don't come back. There's enough for everybody.
Not for them.
I know. The other one gonna come back now?
Well, how would we know?
Well, I don't know, I guess.
How would we know the difference?
There's the other one.
Well, how do you know it's the other one?
I don't, I'm just assuming. Because we definitely saw two.